Congratulations on purchasing the Arlo Pro 3 wire-free security camera. In this video, we'll show you how to install your cameras in just 4 steps. First, we'll show you how to set up your smart hub and cameras using the Arlo app. Then we'll explain how to prep the cameras and mount them in an optimal location. Now set up the smart hub by connecting the Ethernet cable from your router and plug in the power adapter. Next, download the Arlo app to your phone or tablet. You'll need to create an Arlo account if you are a new user or log into your existing Arlo account if you already have one. Make sure your phone is connected to your home network. Then from the Arlo app, select Arlo Cameras wire-free, then select Arlo Pro 3. Follow the steps and it will search for your smart hub for setup. Next, name your Arlo smart hub. The smart hub will check for and automatically update the firmware. Now to prep the cameras, start by inserting a battery into the camera. Remove the housing from the back of the camera by pressing the battery release button and inserting the battery with the Arlo logo facing up. Once the battery is in the camera, the smart hub will automatically detect the camera and ask you to select the serial number of the camera you'd like to install. Create a unique name for the camera that will help you identify it later. Repeat the step for every camera you'd like to install. Now find a location for your camera that has a clear vantage point and a strong signal. Attach the mount using the included mounting hardware. The kit includes a small screw spacer that ensures the mount fits tightly. Position the camera to take maximum advantage of Pro 3's 160-degree viewing angle. The magnetic mount allows for easy and convenient mounting in multiple locations, including mounting to a ceiling or under an awning for capturing that perfect angle. If you install the magnetic charging cable, place the extra wire in the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. This step is completely optional. A longer weather-resistant cable for outdoor usage is sold separately. The Arlo Pro 3's modular design makes it easy to change the battery without having to reposition the camera afterwards. Each camera comes with one battery, and additional batteries are sold separately. When all your cameras are mounted, select Continue. The app will prompt you to select the camera you want to set up for Arlo Smart. Arlo Smart is a suite of security services that lets you easily get notified of people, animals, vehicles, packages, and more. You also get cloud activity zones and 30 days of cloud recording and storage. Congratulations, your cameras are now active. Press finish and you're ready to enjoy greater peace of mind with Arlo Pro 3.